Hello and welcome to this session. Hairstyling is one of the most sought after techniques in order to get trendy looks for special occasions. As a cosmetologist, hairstyling skills will help you stand out in this field. Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to list the tools and materials required for hairstyling and prepare trolley for hairstyling.
Let's first look at the tools and materials required for hairstyling. For this procedure, you need styling chair, trolley, tail comb, combs, hairbrushes, hair dryer, curling iron, hair straightener, hair clippers or trimmers, diffuser, scissors, rollers, hair caps, hair bun, setting clips, bob pins or jura pins, hair accessories, rubber band, hair color, styling lotion or gel, hair wax, hairspray, serum, texturizing spray or powder, sanitizing spray, sanitizing wipes, dry sterilizer, spray bottles, salon gown, towel, containers, and extension cord. It is ideal to wear gloves while preparing the trolley as well as the procedure in order to prevent the spread of infections. The tools must be merged and washed using antiseptic and then well sterilized in a UV sterilization machine before use. The client chair must be cleaned and sanitized before the procedure. Make sure that all styling products are good for use and check the expiry date. Ensure that the electrical styling devices are in a good condition. The towel and draping gowns must be washed and sterilized before the procedure. Let's now look at the procedure of trolley setting for hairstyling. Look for a trolley that is specifically designed for salon or hairstyling purposes. It should have multiple shelves or compartments to hold your styling tools and products securely. Make sure the trolley is stable and won't tip over easily. Check if the wheels are locked to prevent it from moving unintentionally. Use a sanitizing spray and clean cloth to remove dust or dirt from the trolley. Using unclean trolleys can damage your reputation. It is always ideal to keep the trolley near the electrical outlet. This would make it easy to use appliances like hair dryer. Before placing your tools in the trolley, make sure they are clean and in good working condition. Remove any hair or debris from brushes and combs and check that electrical tools are free from any potential hazards. Next, group similar items together and prioritize the ones you use most frequently. The most frequently used materials should be kept in the top tier for easy access, while rarely used materials can be kept in the drawers below. Organize your hairstyling products such as hairspray, heat protectant, serums, and gels. Place them in separate compartments or on different shelves based on your preference and frequency of use. There should be designated places like slots or hooks for equipment such as hair dryer, curling irons, and straighteners. Make sure you utilize them wisely. Ensure the cords are neatly wrapped in order to prevent them from tangling or tripping hazards. Group similar items together to keep things organized. For example, place all brushes in one section, combs in another, and clips in another. They should be well organized and should not mix with each other. Neatly arrange brushes and combs either upright or flat in an organized way, preventing damage to the bristles. Place items that you may need during the styling process, such as towels, cotton pads, or tissues, in accessible spots on the trolley. If you have multiple similar-looking products or tools, consider labeling them to easily identify what you need during a busy styling session. Ensure that sharp and hazardous tools are stored securely. It is advised to use protective covers or sheets for such tools. Trolley setting is an important step that must be followed before every procedure. The way the trolley is prepared shows the professionalism of the beautician, and it also makes the procedure easy and hassle-free. The trolley should be arranged in such a way that the tools should be easily accessible and should not fall off during the procedure. After each use, tidy up the trolley. Keep the tools and materials in their designated shelf or cabinets. Ensure that the cosmetic products are tightly closed. You can use disinfectant to kill disease-causing bacteria. Finally, return the trolley to its designated place. Remember to not keep trolleys astray, as it might block your way or cause tripping hazards.
This brings us to the end of this session. In this session, you have learned the tools and materials required for hairstyling and trolley setting for hairstyling. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next session.